What's going on, guys? We had a customer drop off his 2024 Toyota Tacoma for a little bit of work. As you can see, he's already got a pretty nice build going, all really top-end parts, but it's time to take this thing to the next level. We called upon the guys over at 74 Weld and got a set of their portals in the shop. Let's get this guy pulled in and get to work. And here we are with the finished product, and boy, what a difference those portals make. So first things first, let's talk about how we're able to get that big old tire on this Tacoma. Well, with these portals, we're getting just under 4 inches of lift, and with their 4-gear design on the inside, we're getting a 22% gear reduction at the hub. That means that these 37-inch tall tires are feeling just like they were stock size. We're able to keep our stock upper arm, our stock CV joints, and if you wanted to, you'd be able to maintain your stock shocks and overall suspension. This customer's got some real nice taste looking for performance and went with the King suspension, both front and rear. This suspension setup allowed us to fit a set of those nice 37, 1250, 17 Toyo RT Pro tires wrapped around a set of those special 74 Weld Method Combo W207 wheels. As a nice little cherry on top, these portals are compatible with our SDHQ billet ABS guards. Overall, we gained a whole lot of strength, some ground clearance, some protection with those ABS sensors, and this truck is outfit and ready to go. If you guys looking to get a set of portals for your vehicle, make sure to reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.